This is a daily news update. I'm Petty Officer Courtney Dock. USS Ronald Reagan and Carrier Air Wing 14 are providing assistance to the Republic of the Philippines in response to Typhoon Fangshan. Sailors help deliver supplies to the country.
Today we sent over mainly just water and rice. We sent over 12,000 bottles of water and then about 7,500 pounds of rice. And we're prepared to send plenty more.
Sailors help by loading the supplies onto pallets in preparation for shipment. Many Reagan sailors were directly affected by the storm because they have family members who reside in the Philippines. Seaman Garoshi's mother and sister were in an area directly hit by the typhoon.
My sister emailed me and she told me that it was flooding up to the neck. So it worried me a lot. I'm just lucky that my family is still alive. I really appreciate everybody's help and helping Filipinos over there. I hope all of you guys realize that everything you do here on the ship really helps a lot.
U.S. military forces will remain as long as necessary as requested by the Republic of the Philippines.
I always believe we should help out, those in need, and I think we're here to stay as long as we're needed, and we're going to continue to do well. Our mission on Reagan is peace through strength, and I think this is a clear example of how we can help out those in need.
Ronald Reagan is currently underway on a routine deployment. For USS Ronald Reagan, I'm Petty Officer Courtney Dock.